to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a 2025 SCM Class S630 planer. This is our floor model. It's never been powered up, still sitting on its factory base. Still have the protectant coating inside. 630 millimeter width capacity, or roughly 24.8 inches. 11.75 inch thickness capacity. If you look inside, you're gonna see that it does have segmented infeed rolls, some segmented infeed fingers, a Tersa head, and of course your two rubber rear outfeed rolls. If we come up top, we can take a look at that Tersa head. As you can see, it still has its protective coating on it. This is an extremely desirable head. And if we go around rear of this machine, we did add the extension table as well. So this machine does have the rear extension added to it. The optional extension table adds an additional 19.5 inches to the overall length of the bed. The motor is 1.5 kilowatt or 2 horsepower. As far as accessories, it does come with all of the accessories that you would expect it to come with brand new. Wrenches, manuals. This machine is 14 horsepower. And again, a really popular model. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.